jail. I know my rights. I said no. Back up.
Put your hands on me. Jail. You put your hands on me.
Back up and get off my property. Back up.
You're gonna go to jail if you put your hands on me.
Back up and get off my property. You're not doing shit. I'm not.
You can't be hitting the camera.
I didn't hit anything.
Yeah, you did.
Ludwig! Ludwig!
You're gonna go to the ground.
Ludwig!
All right.
Crazy ass bitch.
You won't believe this woman is actually a county jail employee. This is Tara. She just sparked total chaos and is defying the police with a shocking attitude. What drives someone who knows the law inside out to act like this? Stay tuned for the twist that left everyone speechless.
She brake checked me, trying to make it look like it's my fault when this girl literally almost caused me a car crash. Literally, she kept going in front of me. I'm like trying to get away from her. She brake checked me. I'm already over here trying to get over to the side.
So I know you guys are already on the phone.
Witnesses describe a classic case of road rage where the suspect intentionally brake checked them, nearly causing a high-speed collision.
Yeah,
Tried
for the
to order,
accident.
and they heard the accident. Over
Yeah.
So I understand.
It's like, yeah, you can even tell the cops to call us. I have his number.
Yeah,
Like,
I'll need that.
The moment she starts the engine, the officer's alert level spikes. Starting a vehicle during a stop is often the first step in an attempted flight.
Ma'am, I need your light. Can you step out of the vehicle? Providing information, not stepping out of the vehicle, Sarge.
What's that?
She's not getting out.
Refusal to exit a vehicle during a lawful order is a direct escalation. While the police officer was standing guard, the suspect burst through the door and confronted the other officers.
The officer with the bald head, what's his name? He's over here. So can you please come over here, please? Thank you. No.
You're involved in a crash. You're involved in a crash. You can talk to whoever you want.
I don't want you to open my
You can't
door.
shut the door.
No, I said no.
You can't shut the
I said no.
We need your light.
I said no. I work at the jail. I know my rights. I said no. Back up.
Put your hands on me. Jail. You put your
Back
hands on
up
me.
and get off my property. Back
You're
up.
gonna go to jail if you put
Back
your hands on
up and get off my property.
Ma'am.
Back up and get off. I work at the jail.
If you work at the jail, you know.
The "I work at the jail" defense. She's attempting to use her professional status to intimidate the officers into backing down.
You're wasting my AC and my gas. Back up and get back. Get back. Otherwise, I would have opened the fucking window.
Body language shows a complete lack of respect for police authority.
I'm not stupid. Hello?
The situation turns from non-compliance to active resistance. Once she makes physical contact with the officer, the use of force becomes inevitable.
I'm not.
You can't be hitting the camera.
I didn't hit anything.
Yeah, you did.
No, I
I warned
didn't.
you not to do that. Get out of the car.
Stop.
Stop.
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car.
Stop.
Get out of the car.
Stop.
You need to step
Stop.
out. Step
Ludwig.
You're gonna go to the ground. Step out. You're gonna go to the ground.
The taser deployment is a direct result of her physical battery. The law doesn't care where you work once you assault a uniformed officer.
Step out. You're gonna get tased. Step out.
Ludwig.
Step out.
Ludwig, I didn't do nothing.
You're gonna get tased. Step out.
Stop.
All right, you're gonna get tased.
that's what you get, crazy bitch.
Step out. You can step out now. All right, there you go. Get on the ground. Give me your hands. Give me your hands.
Crazy ass bitch.
Give me your hands.
Get me up. Get me up.
Don't move. It's gonna get tighter. Okay.
Get me up. It's eyes.
A little on your side. There you go. Sit up.
Ludwig.
Now stand up.
Even after being restrained, she continues to fight, showing a total loss of emotional control and a refusal to accept the reality of her arrest.
Okay. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Stop.
Sit down. Sit down. You're gonna get tased again. You're gonna get tased again. Sit down in the car. We'll talk, but sit down. You need to sit down in the car. You go in the car and we'll talk. Put your feet in. Put your feet in. Put your feet in. You're doing this all yourself. Okay, so I need you to put your feet in right now.
Ludwig, come on, Ludwig.
You're going to get tased again.
These girls.
Put your feet in and we will talk.
Okay.
Put your feet in and we will talk.
Who's your
'Cause I am the sergeant. I'm trying to talk to you. Put your feet in.
Ludwig.
Put your feet in the car.
Talk to the window. Put the
I
window
know
down.
you.
That's what I'm gonna do.
You know me and I know you. I didn't do anything wrong. These girls came up on me and they were racing me and they.
We'll work through it, but put your
I
feet in
gotta
the
go
car.
home to my kids.
We'll work through it, but put your feet in the car.
No, because come here.
Put that window down.
Can I tell you something?
No, you need to put your feet in the car.
I don't have a tampon.
I don't care. Put your feet
Okay,
in the
but
car.
I'm just
We're not
telling
worried.
you.
All right,
But
we're
I'm
not
just
worried about that right
telling
now. Please again, if you don't put your feet in the car.
No.
Well, then put your feet in.
Come on.
Not doing this.
The irony is reaching its peak. She keeps reminding them she works at the jail, unaware that this information will only make her booking more awkward.
Call Lieutenant.
Can't take me to jail. I fucking work there.
Do you need an ambulance, Tara?
Yeah.
Yeah? So what's your complaint? Why do you want to see an ambulance?
I don't know.
So,
Yes.
okay, what do you need? I have to tell them what you need it for.
I can't breathe. And I don't like to be restrained.
Go in her passenger glove box and try to find me her insurance information for her.
Insurance?
Yeah, go look.
I don't have it. I'm telling you. Officer Ludwig! Sergeant!
Looking for insurance.
Stop! Don't put the window on me. That's not even funny, bro. I'm fucking funny. You're on camera. That's
I'm not laughing, but you're
Yeah,
screaming
you
and yelling.
Smile on your face, and I know hitting is bad on you. You gotta smile like fucking Jazz.
Battery on law enforcement and resisting with violence. These are serious felonies that far outweigh the initial traffic citation she was facing.
Going in and out of the lanes. Like, actually, I don't know what she was doing. I tried to get away. I really
I'm
did.
sure the officer or email those photos to him so he can put them in the evidence.
I can get a Axon link ready. Were you the one driving?
Yes.
What's your first name?
Kaylee.
Kaylee? Okay, were you guys in a rush to go anywhere? Because we're going to have someone bring us, so we have to do some paperwork now. Basically, what you guys saw from start to finish.
I'm detained or I'm arrested. Which one?
Under arrest.
For what? What the am I under arrest for?
You're under arrest for resisting without violence, enforcement officer
That
times
doesn't even
2,
make any fucking sense, first of all. And what else?
battery on law enforcement.
Battery?
It's on camera.
I didn't hit anybody.
Okay, you can fight it in court.
Ludwig.
Do you need anything from them?
Ludwig.
Do you need anything from them?
No, I'm talking to you.
Do you need anything?
Ludwig!
Alright, so this one's going to be hers. This is yours. Just pertains to whatever happened. Like from the start to finish.
If you would.
23.
Police officer.
It's like to go through school? It's like 6 months for the academy and then that's fun.
All right, guys, here's your information back.
They're going to be sticking around until they finish the statements anyway.
Okay. She was found at fault for the accident and speaking with the third-party independent witness, as well as talking to I found her at fault for basically brake checking you guys and causing the accident.
We even have pictures, even before she leaves, like...
Yeah, he said he got them. He said upload them to evidence. So this is your driver's exchange of information. If you needed, all you got to do is call your insurance company, let them know. She does not have insurance.
She's
No
so dumb.
insurance. So here's that.
Statement: the suspect is transported to the hospital for medical clearance.
Hey, you leg restraints, okay?
Give me a hug.
All right, step out.
Don't touch me. I can walk.
Okay, then walk.
I can walk. Let go. You're hurting me. You're hurting.
Even after getting medical clearance, the suspect still isn't finished with her behavior.
Tara, I'm asking you politely to get in my patrol car.
Only gonna
Please
make it
get in.
worse. Come on.
Tara, I'm giving you a lawful order to get in my
I feel threatened by him. I don't want him. I don't want him at all in this car.
That's too bad. It's his car.
No, I don't. Then I want to go in a different car.
Is that what you want, really?
I don't feel
You
comfortable.
want that? Nothing's gonna happen. The camera's on the whole time.
This is not fucking laughing.
Nobody's laughing.
I gotta itch my face.
You got a what?
Where?
What do you want to?
Shoot. I'm not gonna do that. I don't want to be in this car.
Too bad. It's not an option.
Stop pushing me. No, you're pushing me.
Tara, sit down.
I will. Tell him to get his hand off me,
Put your
please.
hand up.
This is fucked. You know it. This is fucked. No, I don't want it. I don't. I feel
Alright, so
claustrophobic.
when he gets in a car crash and you die and your kids don't have anyone,
Yeah.
is that
No, I want to refuse.
See what's in your car?
I don't want it.
It doesn't.
There you go.
Can you transfer the rock road? Not that you reference. Can you let the rock know that I got a super combative subject that's kicking and screaming? And I'm gonna
Get me the fuck out now.
By refusing the chemical test, she triggers an automatic license suspension, further digging herself into a legal hole. Duty officer requests for a urine sample to determine if she's under the influence.
if you refuse to take the test, I've requested that you give 1 year for a first refusal.
Why?
Or 18 months if your drug privilege has been previously suspected. I've requested.
I don't understand.
Into evidence.
Yeah, I need you to back up 7 chapters. So you want me to take a urine test, and if I don't take a urine test, I can have a misdemeanor.
And that's exactly
For
what
what? For what?
Okay. So
So you.
that's something maybe in your system. We're requesting that you take a urine test so that we can determine if something is in your system.
Anything.
Okay, that's on you.
Hello?
Hi, is this Kaylee? Calling to see if you had the chance to upload those pictures yet.
Oh yeah, I thought I did.
You might have to
Sure.
hit submit.
I probably didn't do that, but let me resubmit them for you right now. Sorry about that.
No, I appreciate.
Sorry about that.
Okay, yeah.
There was 2 videos.
Yeah, that's gonna be a fun video. Show your friends, I guess.
Eventually, the legal consequences for Tara are staggering. She is facing a total of 8 charges, including felony resisting an officer with violence and 3 counts of felony battery on law enforcement. On top of that, she's charged with DUI, involving property damage, reckless driving, and refusing to submit to a DUI test. The very person who worked within the system is now facing its full weight.